Willen Lake Milton Keynes, owned and looked after by the Parks Trust. Willen Lake spans about 100 acres and was built as a balancing lake in the 1970s during the development of the new town of Milton Keynes. Its purpose is to prevent flooding. The lake, like many areas of Milton Keynes, was built on former farmland. It was designed to divert the River Ousel using sluices and weirs to manage the flow and prevent flooding in Newport Pagnell and Bedford. And Anglia Water are the board that control the level of the water. The lake was constructed with two basins, making North and South Lakes. The South Lake is where recreational activities take place, leaving the North Lake for a wildlife habitat. Activities include water sports such as canoeing, sailing and paddleboarding. There are play areas for children and a splash park. There is a huge rope course and paths for running and cycling. Willen Lakes have some cultural landmarks. The Peace Pagoda and a Buddhist temple symbolising peace and unity. This was the first of this type of building in the Western Hemisphere. Close to the Peace Pagoda is the Labyrinth, a piece of landscape architecture designed as a turf maze. At its centre is an oak tree. The idea is to encourage people to follow the path to the oak tree that symbolises the natural world, a time for quiet contemplation. The medicine well. This is two circles of stone that are concentric. There are taller stones positioned north, south, east and west. Its inspiration came from legends of the Hopi Nation, who are a Native American tribe that live in northeastern Arizona. Their prophecies talk about an age of peace, where all from the four corners of the earth live in peace and harmony. Two extra pairs of stones have been placed to line up with the midsummer sunrise running through the Tree Cathedral, the Belvedere, an intentionally created mound in Campbell Park, and Midsummer Boulevard in central Milton Keynes. Willen Lake Milton Keynes in the UK is really worth a visit. It is one of the most popular places to visit in Milton Keynes, with over 1 million visitors every year. If you enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell so that you don't miss future videos.